ARID Technologies is really thrilled to be here as an exhibitor as part of the kickoff UNITI show here in Stuttgart. The European market is something really important to us. Our technology, which enhances stage 2 vapor recovery, is well placed to meet with European norms, and so we're really thrilled to be here. Our permeator technology reduces the emissions from the storage tanks, which has become quite important because in some European countries they're using an orifice plate, which is allowing communication with the atmosphere, and this reduces the efficiency of vapor recovery technologies. So by replacing the orifice plate with a pressure vacuum valve, creating a closed system in conjunction with a permeator for vapor processing, we could really create the best of both worlds, reduced emissions and save fuel.
BRUGG, as a manufacturer of corrugated pipes, has a wide product range, and we also have the products for the gas stations. And this year's UNITI Expo we are using as an opportunity to promote 2 new products. Firstly, Citergaz is our petrol station pipe, and first we have a 1-inch pipe for this series. So we are promoting our Citergaz 1-inch pipe, and together with a special end fitting, which is easy to handle, this product gives our customers the perfect opportunity to have a completely monitorable petrol station network. The second new pipe system we are promoting here is LNG piping. Everybody's talking about LNG at the moment. And we have developed a special PUR foam insulated LNG piping, which we are using as a LNG transportation pipe between storage tank and dispenser on LNG fueling stations.
Citergaz is a company with 25 years of history and experience. The company's main area of activity is the manufacturing of fuel tanks, above and underground with single or double wall, air-compressed tanks, containerized fuel system solutions, tanks for water treatment stations, hydro-pneumatic tanks, among other solutions tailored to each client and project.
Our company is Fuel Management Technologies, and we're a European company with offices in the United Kingdom and in Spain. Our company manufactures a device that retains vapor on site for the retailer, which helps contribute to the profit of the owners of the petrol stations and also helps improve the environment. As a relatively new company, we've been very pleased with the response we've had. This show has allowed us to capture a wider audience rapidly, and we plan to invest again in 2016, and we plan to follow up with a lot of new friends and new customers that we've made, and we hope that this will contribute to a much faster business in the future.
This is our first time at UNITI, obviously, but it's our first time to be introducing our European models of our gasoline and diesel nozzles. In Europe, the dispensers, the pumps, all use magnetic handguards, and that's not common in North America, so we had to develop special handguards for Wayne, Gilbarco, Tokheim, and the European pump manufacturers, and now we get to show it off. That's what UNITI is meant for Husky, a good platform to introduce our new products.
I'm speaking to Fred Hess, who is Director of Sales for OPW EMEA. And Fred, it's been a few months actually since last year, PEI in Atlanta, that the news has come out that OPW has taken over KPS and Fiberlight. So how has that development gone so far?
Well, Sandra, it's an ongoing integration process, and it's actually certain steps that have been taken over time, which is first internally to get the teams integrated, and then you walk further to the market to try to bring the advantages to the market, the advantages of the bigger package to the market. Communication is one thing, follow up until the market has really digested, and what we are seeing great progress in the moment. We are seeing that people see us in a different way with this product range, to be a much stronger partner for the industry, and it's going very well in that sense. And this unity is one step further in this direction. People identify and learn to understand the synergies, what this package can offer them.
And as I understand, KPS is actually very active on the German market. Can you talk a little bit more about that?
Indeed, Sandra. KPS has made in the last 2 years tremendous progress in Germany. It's the only plastic pipe that is installed in the ground in Germany today, and it's one of the major oil companies is using exclusively KPS. It's a major progress, and it's unique. It's a differentiation, and it's based on a couple of technical facts. One is the conductivity of the piping, and it's a great progress. We want to build on this, and specifically during the Unity, we are seeing great attraction of that.
And Fred, what does Unity Expo mean for OPW? Why did you decide to exhibit here?
Unity Expo for us is a much more focused event. It is, if you compare it with the event it was before, it's more focused. People who walk by here, they are from our industry. It's a great progress, a great advantage, and the rest is to be seen over the next 2 days, what we can make out of it. We feel very comfortable about it.
Thank you very much, Fred.
Thanks to you, Sandra.
Bora Filipovic is the product manager for fuel management systems at OPW EMEA. What are the new products you're exhibiting at Unity Expo, Bora?
Hello, Sandra. Well, we are showing at Unity the new Nano console. We have just launched it. It's fresh to the market, first time at Unity. What we are trying to show is that it's a new, fully featured yet compact console that has the capability of a multi-drop, meaning we can connect 4 probes onto one wire that leads back to the console. It is also fully controllable remotely. It can do up to 12 probes and 24 sensors, and it's a new modern compact console that we believe will cover both the basic needs but also full-featured needs of any customer. That also includes the reconciliation and all the SLDs, the leak detection, anything else they might need. We offer the probes and everything for gasoline, diesel, we can do LPG as well, we have density solution, and all of that is now in a new modern latest technology that we believe is really leading now into the market for basic and also fully featured needs.
Thank you, Bora.
Thank you, Sandra.
PETROY showed 3 product lines, each one with unique features. Simtex water and dirt removal filters for fuels, including a biotech line for biofuels, stock air electronic tire inflators, which they say has been the only unbreakable equipment in the world for over 10 years. Maximus nozzles, swivels, couplings and hoses were also shown.
I'm talking to Michal Brylinski, who is the general manager for Orlen Deutschland. And Orlen is one of the major oil companies, obviously, and is a very popular brand, petrol station brand in Germany. So why has your company decided to participate at Unity Expo?
Thank you for the question. I think we have one very good reason. Now we are celebrating 10 years of being present on the German market. We entered the market 2003, and I think we have very good reason to show the very dynamic development over the last 10 years. We just want to present to our partners and dealers how we develop our offer, what are the elements of our fuel side, and we believe we are one of the most dynamically growing companies on the German oil market, and I think it's just a good reason to be here and to present all these advantages, which are of course very interesting to our potential partners.
Why do you think Orlen, or the Star brand, is so successful and popular in Germany and amongst your tenants and partners?
I think it shows also our history on the German market. We started 10 years ago with 2-brand strategy. So we started being present as Orlen as a premium brand and Star as an economy brand. And after a couple of years we focused completely on the Star brand. And I think what makes special our network is this consequence in all elements, in all what we do. So it means we have a number of specific products which are developed only for our network. We have own branded mineral water, energy drink, special oil products, a number of products for car cleaning and what our customers need. And I think this concept is very successful, and that's why I believe this is the way to go, and we are trying to also continue this trend in the future.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
I'm now talking to Hiromichi Tatsuno, who is the third generation owner of Tatsuno. The company was established by his grandfather in 1911. Not something that happens a lot nowadays. Why did you decide to exhibit at Unity Expo, Mr. Tatsuno?
We established Tatsuno Europe 3.5 years ago. And since then, we have been developing our businesses in Europe. And this is the right time and right place to show ourselves to our friends and to our business partners and old friends. So, this is, I think, the right timing for us.
What are the new products you're exhibiting here today?
Okay, this expo we introduced one type of the pump which has a vapor recovery system, but it's not just like other vapor recovery system. It can liquefy the vapor so that the dealers can get back the petrol out of the vapor. And we are already selling it in Japan.
Hydrogen is becoming a more and more important topic, and I understand you have developed a hydrogen dispenser actually that has proven very successful in Japan. Can you tell me a little bit more about that, Mr. Tatsuno?
Hydrogen businesses is getting bigger in Japan because the government and automobile companies are very much keen to develop the hydrogen cars. So we have to develop hydrogen pumps, hydrogen stations to support them. That's why we are spending a lot of money for research and development for the hydrogen, and it's getting bigger and bigger. And I hope the next Olympic in 2020, we'll have more hydrogen stations in Japan.
Thank you very much, Mr. Tatsuno. Arigato.
Yeah, thank you very much.
We're proud to present CGH here on the Unity Expo. CGH is a manufacturer of tanks. They have 3 manufacturing units, one in Poland, one in Morocco and one in South Africa. So we can provide tanks for the whole of Europe. We have a commercial organization spread out in Europe and spread out in Africa. And we're here on Unity to present the CGH group with TCI as a member of it and its principal partners. We've got Icon here, who is presenting a whole new range of entry boots, which are also very good in maintenance issues. And we also have Risbridger with a modular tank lid and a lot of new features on the tank lid. CGH as a one-stop shop can provide every equipment needed for a petrol station, every underground equipment needed on a petrol station. So we start with the tanks. We've got tanks, we've got sumps, we've got a tank lid and everything, every connection on it. There's piping and sumps and covers, manhole covers, so we can provide every aspect that is underground on a petrol station.
TST Electronics GmbH presented its new intelligent vapor recovery system with vortex flow sensors, Forecourt Plus, Stage 2. The system works completely automatic, self-regulating and self-monitoring, independent of temperature, pressure and density. The system is equipped with additional interfaces for the connection to the dispenser calculator or POS system and can also be customized. Forecourt Plus is ATEX and TÜV certified and meets all standards as per the European norm EN 16321.